Hi everyone, my name is George and I am a Mechatronics engineering student at UTS. This video will walk you through a demonstration of the construction of my latest project completed with UTS Mechatronics 1 Unleashed, my 3D printed robotic hand. This project was inspired by my interest in humanoid robotics and additive manufacturing technologies such as 3D printing. My robotic hand was fully 3D printed at home and programmed in AVR C using the ATmega 32-8P chip on the Arduino Uno board. This project demonstrates the use of inputs and outputs, LCD display and 4-bit mode operation, PWM control, analog to digital conversion, and the serial communication protocol called SPI. The hardware in this project includes servo motors and transistors to control the robotic fingers, LCD display to see the status of the hand, buttons and potentiometer to select modes or control the movement, and the force sensor to detect when it's holding an object. My project uses the 3D printing design files from inmove.fr, which comes from a larger 3D printed life-size humanoid robot designed by Gale, link in the description below. Continue watching to see my demonstration and construction of the robotic hand. Hope you enjoy.